This video shows how to create an additional context menu point for when you want to run a program on your File Explorer. So in this case, when you are here, for example, in a File Explorer, Windows File Explorer, and when you push the right mouse button, and then you want to have a program here to start that stuff, or or when you are in the desktop, or when you open a folder like that. So what you see here, those points, when you want to add something like this. So what we do here, we work with a registry. So I start here with reg edit. Now I have that program here, and now the program is open. What we have to do there, we have 2 points. One point is the folder element. So when I type there folder, simply folder, simply typing, then you will see folder, then the system runs on there. So we have to start here in the classes root, then folder. Now we have the folder tree there, and we have to go to the shell. Shell is that stuff what should be there. Now we add a new key. We say okay, test program, test app, for example, test app, and then we say add a further key there, which is command. And at that point of the command, when we are, you see that point here, that's the stuff what we edit here. Then I say okay, here I want that to start a program on application. So I already have an application there. Where's it? Here's my application. That's my application, that what which I want to run. Now when I say okay, give me the tree, where is this stuff? So I say okay, that's the point where it should be, and this is the program, the application. And now I have there from the value of this of the command is the path to my program. Now I say %1, which gives the folder as an additional argument on there. So now when we push here F5, and when we go now to a folder like this one, when I click there, let's take another one, this folder for example, when I click there, then I will see my test app there, and the program will start there. So what we miss there now is, when we are there, we still miss a small icon there. So we go back to our command, and now we add in here a new string, which is called icon. And for the icon we need this path. I click on there, take this one, and I say here, back to my icon, I want this stuff, and now not I want the first icon, so it's comma 0, which means take the inner stuff. So now we push F5, and we go to a folder. Now when we are here in the folder, then we see here, this is my test app. Now it would also be a great stuff to have something when we click on here inside a folder, or when we are on our desktop and we want to click here and run this folder program. Then we go there back again, we say okay, a new point is we need the directory tree, and there has to be a little bit some changes. So we start here, we say also okay, an additional key, which is called for example test app 2, or entry or something else. And also again, here is the command, and for the command we again need the in the command we need the entry there at value, and now there comes a little bit of changing. We need %v as argument, and in here there has to be a further entry. Here we have the that stuff, and we need one called this icon, a text string icon with the name icon, and there we say this one, comma 0, comma 0, and one further string is no working directory and nothing else. So I push F5. Now when we click on there, we see this one, there's the test app 2, and when we start it, then the stuff runs there. Okay, and I don't know why the icon didn't come now. This might be something in here. Maybe it's not called icon. So the icon is still missing. I don't know what the extension for the icon is. I will find out this at a further point.